Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard Swiss Air Flight LX181. Operating on a Boeing 777 aircraft, we're set to embark on our journey from Bangkok to Zurich today, covering a distance of approximately 5,600 kilometers. Our flight duration is estimated to be 11 hours and 50 minutes. Thank you for choosing to fly with us today. Your safety and comfort are our top priorities, and our experienced crew is here to ensure you have a pleasant journey. Attention please, this is your captain speaking. We are nearing our destination and expect to arrive shortly. We hope you enjoyed your flight.